just cleaned these. They're for the chicks, and here is the one for the older chicken who walks around. And I'm also going to clean it a little bit. Then I'll put some clean water in. That's better. I'm gonna leave it there. Now comparing these two chicken mothers, this one and the other one. This one mostly has maternal instincts more than this. This one always fights other chicks, other chicken chicks. She doesn't like those ones. You see, they are going sideways to the side because this one keeps, what do we call, pecking them, and it's so unfair. Have been done with the chicks, cleaning the chicks stringing traps. We go to the banana. So welcome guys to my channel again. Welcome to my second vlog of the day, and this is about cleaning, just cleaning. So I want to clean this before I take it inside and hang it somewhere. So we don't have water anymore in this tank. Here is the tap. No more water here because the water comes from these twin tanks, and it's mostly broken, so it's probably leaking, and we have no more water inside. They are the oldest tanks, built in 1985, somewhere there, so they are really old. So I'm gonna go get water from the other side so that I can just clean at least part of it. Not so well, but it's okay anyway if it goes in like this. But let me just try brush it off kidogo. Now it is done. I'm gonna leave it here for a few minutes or hours so that it can dry off, and then we take it inside. It was basically pouring water into it so that if there is some trapped doo-doos, they will just go away. Now we move to the next thing for the day, is dealing with the cows, feeding. And at least I have this log that I got from the same banana. I'm gonna carry it to the other side where I did my last preparation, and I'll do the same, preparing it the same way. Let me start by cutting it into smaller logs that I'll be able to carry. Whoa. Strength of a woman. So one by one we go to the other side. Let me go with one meanwhile, like this. Deep inside. Good girl. Here we go. Oh, the first, we go for the next one. I'm a good girl, isn't it? Oh. Oh, this is the time for sheep. Next, we're here. Today it's again going to the posho mill. And knowing this is my way of removing the chaff out. Good. Guys, if you've watched this video up to this far, you are super amazing and I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. And guys, please, if you're watching me for your first time, kindly subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for clicking into today's video. So you have seen part of my activities of the day. It's now around 10 a.m. Kenyan time and I'm so tired, but I still have some work to do. But in due time, guys, I'm gonna be doing better, especially with speaking in my videos. I feel like I speak less. It's because of what comes out of my mouth. Sometimes I try to speak and I'm mumbling here and there, and that's why today's video is somehow with silence, but hopefully I'll be there. So I still have some work to do. Right now I'm still going to get some more feeds for the cows, but you have seen my videos of me feeding the cows. It's the same. I'm going to the farm over there to bring them the feed somewhere there. So thank you for watching today's video, and please subscribe, like, share, and I'll be so grateful. Thank you so much. Mucho gracias, guys. Adios.